Hello kids, welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn letter S. This is uppercase S and this is lowercase s. S is for ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Ship means jahaz. S is for strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Strawberry means strawberry. S is for sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. Sparrow means goraya. S is for sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun means Suraj. S is for ship. S is for strawberry. S is for sparrow. S is for sun. Let's write letter S. Make a small curve down, then other curve up. It look like a snake. That's capital letter S. Make a curve line and again curve line. This is a small letter S. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.